Good morning, everyone! Another simple day here in Washington. First of all, thank you, Lord, for another day, another life, and another blessing. Today, sasama ko lang kayo sa usual routine ko habang nasa orientation week pa kami. Nothing too special, just a normal, slow, and peaceful day at home, doing some chores, finishing my online modules, and getting ready for another day of orientation. Let's go! First things first, freshen up muna tayo. Fresh yarn? Siyempre, tingin muna sa salamin kung may bagong pimple na naman today. Hi, hirap talaga kapag lumaki kang acne prone. Well, anyway, wash hands muna tayo. Always natin i-consider ang proper hand hygiene before touching our face. Especially sa morning routine. Shave muna tayo para fresh and clean tingnan. Hindi naman everyday kailangan super perfect kahit wala naman talagang perfect. Basta neat lang and ready for the day. Every time na gumagamit ako nitong electric razor, mas naliles naman yung pimple ko kasi sobrang bilis talaga nilang tumubo actually. Next, brush our teeth. Syempre, basic, but non-negotiable bago talaga magsimula ang araw. And of course, facial wash muna. Since acne prone yung skin ko, I try to be gentle lang and hindi masyadong harsh sa face kahit mukha talagang na-harsh na. Ito rin yung part ng morning routine na medyo relaxing for me. Parang slowly waking up while taking care of myself. Minsan kasi when you're busy with work and life, nakakalimutan natin yung mga simple self-care moments. Especially kung pagod talaga every after duty. So ayun, kahit basic lang, I really enjoy taking my time here. Cleanse lang properly, especially around the areas na usually nag-oily or nagkaka-breakout. After washing, pat dry lang tayo, hindi daw rub. Gentle lang sa face para hindi ma-irritate yung skin. Yes, GGSS. Kala mo naka-IV bello. And dispose agad after. Clean as you go tayo dito. Then, a little face mist para fresh and hydrated naman ang feeling. Simple lang talaga yung routine ko. Minsan, tamad lang talaga. Hindi masyadong maraming products, then mamaya marami na ulit. Final check. Okay, mukha namang presentable. Sana walang bagong pimple mamaya. This is our baby sunshine. Parang kailan lang, 3 years old ka na. And ngayon, spoiled baby na. Okay, tubig muna tayo. One thing I'm really trying to be consistent with is hydration. Especially before starting anything for the day. Drink your water, guys. Simple reminder lang, minsan kasi sobrang busy natin, nakakalimutan na pala natin uminom the whole day. Hydration is always important. And here's my husband, EJ. If there's one thing na masasabi ko talaga about him, sobrang talented niya when it comes to cooking. Actually, siya talaga yung mas magaling sa aming dalawa sa kitchen. Ako more on dishwashing and taga-appreciate. Pero surprisingly, hobby niya rin talaga ang mag-grocery. He enjoys checking what we need sa bahay, looking for ingredients, planning kung anong lulutuin, and somehow, alam niya kung ano yung kailangan bilhin kahit hindi ko nasabihin. Kaya feeling ko isa rin siya sa reasons kung bakit ako lumaki. Kasi ang sarap lagi ng luto niya, tapos mahirap tumanggi kapag may nakahain ng masarap. But seriously, I'm very thankful kasi malaking bagay talaga when you have someone na mahilig magluto, especially kapag pareho kayong busy and pareho kayong nagtatrabaho. So habang siya ang assigned chef natin today, ako naman, punta tayo sa next responsibility. It's vacuum time! So one thing I can really recommend kapag may sarili na kayong place is to invest in a good vacuum. Hindi naman kailangan sobrang mahal pero get something na convenient gamitin and kaya talagang linisin yung carpet, especially kung may pet kayo like Sunshine. Grabe kasi yung fur, dust, and kung ano-ano na hindi mo agad nakikita. Tapos once you start vacuuming, doon mo marirealize na ay, ang dumi pala. And for me, medyo therapeutic din mag-vacuum. Parang may instant satisfaction kapag nakikita mo malinis na ulit yung carpet. So kahit busy tayo sa orientation, singit-singit lang ng chores para hindi tambak lahat sa rest day. Next is laundry. And guys, friendly reminder from someone na hindi sumusunod sa sarili niyang advice, separate your whites from your colored clothes. Well, ito talaga yung hindi ko lagi nagagawa, kaya minsan yung mga white shirts ni EJ hindi na completely white. May konting surprise color na. Sorry, EJ. Ideally, whites together, darks together, and colored clothes separately para iwas color transfer. Pero kapag tinatamad tayo, minsan isang bagsakan na lang lahat. Please don't follow me. Adulting talaga. Laundry, cleaning, grocery, trabaho, paulit-ulit lang. Pero somehow, fulfilling din kapag natatapos mo na lahat. Now, it's time for my online modules. Since part pa rin ito ng orientation namin sa new company, I make sure na ginagawa ko siya within the scheduled time and binabasa ko talaga ng maayos. Even though nasa bahay lang and virtual siya, work time pa rin to kasi bayad pa rin tayo dito. So, I think importante talaga na we treat it professionally. Especially kapag bagong employee ka, follow the schedule, complete your requirements, and make sure na on time ka sa mga classes, modules, and trainings. Different company, different policies. So, kailangan talagang mag-adjust ulit and learn how they do things. Kahit matagal ka ng nurse, hindi ibig sabihin nun na alam mo na lahat. Every hospital has its own protocols, workflow, documentation system, and expectations. So habang orientation pa, ito talaga yung best time to ask questions, read everything properly, and absorb as much as possible. It's shower time because we will go to university for another in-person class. Hello everyone! Hello! So we're on our way sa training namin today. This is our day 3 of orientation. This morning, nag-modules lang kami for 4 hours. Then yung topic namin today is Epic and Alaris Pump training. So 1 hour lang yun and we're on our way. Medyo traffic and sana hindi kami late. So yesterday, nagkaroon kami ng training din and nagkaroon kami ng N95 fit testing tsaka all about restraints. And then ayun, diniscuss nila yung mga vision mission ng company. So make sure kapag nasa bagong company kayo and during orientation, hindi kayo nalilate. And the good thing is, yung napansin namin dito sa Washington State, kahit anong color ng scrubs, pwede mong suotin. Even t-shirts nga, pwede din, and hood. Basta make sure di ka nalilate. Yun yung sabi nila. And yun lang. Hello ba? And now it is 82 degrees in Fahrenheit. Medyo mainit, pero tolerable naman. So this is where we've been attending some of our classes, trainings, and return demonstrations before officially going back to the floor. Dito muna kami nagre-review ng policies, equipment, skills, and other requirements na kailangan namin before starting our actual shifts. Parang preparation phase muna before the real action begins. We are done for today. Grabe, ilang araw na lang, duty na ulit tayo sa floor. Another hospital, another environment, another adjustment. But most importantly, another blessing and another opportunity to gain new experiences. Excited and nervous at the same time, but here we go again. Tapos na yung training. So, tapos na nga yung day 3 namin. Pagdating namin doon, kanya-kanyang computer, kanya-kanyang access sa Epic. Tapos, meron din kaming infusion pumps na Alaris. So, nag-exam kami. Pinakita doon kung paano yung primary infusion, secondary infusion, paano ka mag-disassociate ng pump after, paano ka mag-pause ng infusion, and then some boluses as well. So, yung Alaris, nagamit na namin siya sa Richmond, Virginia. Yun din yung gamit namin sa Cleveland Clinic, Abu Dhabi. Shout out sa mga taga-UAE dyan. And then, yung nasa Northern Virginia naman kami, parang Baxter Infusion Pump yun. So, medyo nag-check kami kanina kung paano nga to. Pero familiar pa naman sa amin. And then, si EJ, may schedule na siya. Yay! Pero ako wala pa. So, waiting pa rin ako. Nung day 1 nga pala, nung day 1, meron kaming virtual, online, and then pumunta kami sa university to get our badges. So yung badges namin, meron din tong mga parang codes for the POCT glucometer, if ever man merong sa urine or BBG or ABG, yun, magagamit yun. And then day 2, kahapon more on discussions lang, yun nga sabi ko kanina, N95 fit testing, restraints, vision mission, ano yung ma-expect nyo. And then parang tinalakay din yung concerns about the management on behavioral patients, aggressive behavioral patients, yun. And day 3, tapos na nga yung Epic Alaris Pump. Then tomorrow, parang rest day. Pero gagawa pa rin kami ng modules. Kasi, syempre, kailangan bayad tayo. And then, day 5, babalik ako sa university kasi meron kaming skills. And then, si EJ, may mga 3 days night shift, night duties na siya. Hopefully, same day kami para same rest days. Ayun lang. Say bye-bye ba? Since next week mag-start na tayo sa actual floor orientation, grocery muna tayo sa Costco para ready na yung bahay and yung mga necessities na tayo. Necessities lang muna guys, yes, because technically wala na pa tayong sweldo. Kasi every 2 weeks yung salary dito. So kapag bagong start ka, kailangan mo rin talagang i-budget yung mga expenses habang hinihintay mo yung first paycheck. Pero one good thing kapag nagre-relocate ka for a new job is that some companies offer relocation assistance or sign-on bonuses. But please, before accepting any bonus, make sure na binabasa ninyo mabuti yung agreement. Know the pros and cons, how much you will receive, when it will be paid, and most importantly, kung may required service commitment or contract period. Kasi sometimes may 1 year, 2 years, or ibang conditions attached to the bonus. And if you leave early, may possibility na bayaran mo pa yun, depending on your agreement. So always read before you sign. Bonus is nice, pero dapat alam mo rin exactly what you're committing to. And for today's vlog, it is sponsored by Insta360 Go Ultra. Syempre charot lang. Baka naman Insta360. Well, but recently, I've been enjoying using this little camera I bought last October 2025. I'm impulsive kasi sa camera, ang dami na. So, to be honest, sobrang compact niya and very convenient for vlogging. Especially for videos like this na day in the life. Ang dali niyang gamitin because you don't always have to hold a big camera in front of you. You can capture POV shots, hands-free clips, random moments around the house, and even quick videos while doing chores. Very small and discreet siya. So for me, bagay talaga siya sa mga chill lifestyle vlogs. And because maliit siya, ang daming different ways na pwede mong gamitin depending on the shot you want. Kahit marami ka ng years of experience, may anxiety pa rin talaga, especially when you start somewhere new. New people, new system, new policies, new equipment, and you're trying to understand how everything works all over again. And honestly, minsan mahirap din because you're used to being comfortable and confident sa previous workplace mo. Then suddenly, parang beginner feeling ka ulit in certain areas. But I always try to look at the brighter side. Being uncomfortable also means you're learning something new. So I remind myself to stay humble, ask questions, and be teachable. another hospital, another challenge, but also another opportunity to grow. And that's part of the journey. Thank you so much for spending part of your day with us. Bye bye. God bless.